Healthy ecosystems are crucial to maintaining global biodiversity and also sustain us and our economies, well-being and Indigenous cultures. Yet the environment is under threat from human activities and global change. We undertake world-leading research to discover, innovate and find solutions to environmental challenges. These include conservation and restoration, as well as responding to climate change to ensure healthy and productive ecosystems for our future generations. For example, we are monitoring ecosystem recovery following major bushfires. We're looking for cool spots associated with shellfish and seaweeds to enhance climate change resilience. We use innovative 3D technology to rebuild habitat, and we create living seawalls that balance human needs with nature. We also evaluate genetic diversity to inform management of threatened species. Our research is therefore positioned to improve the management of ecosystems across multiple local, regional, and environmental scales, particularly under climate change.
Bushfires are increasing in frequency and severity under climate change and can be lethal for Australian wildlife. But the post-fire landscape can be even more dangerous as cats and foxes pick off survivors. I'm developing biodegradable cardboard habitat units that can be used to protect ground-dwelling wildlife like bandicoots, potoroos and antechinus from predation and exposure after bushfires. Our flat-packed habitat units can also be used to provide shelter for wildlife as part of bush regeneration projects. My conservation startup, Rehabitat, works with government, NGOs and private sector environment and sustainability professionals.
Did you know Australia has the worst rate of mammal extinction in the world? My research explores the use of mosquito iDNA, a novel approach to monitor terrestrial vertebrates. I'm working in partnership with federal government to apply this approach to monitor birds and mammals in Kakadu National Park, providing fundamental knowledge in the fight against biodiversity decline.
Did you know that 65% of Australian food plants are pollination dependent? Honeybees aren't native to Australia, but they are important to our food security. Unfortunately, honeybees face many threats globally, including common diseases which can lead to population collapse. Our team within the Eco-Immunology Lab are designing honeybee probiotics to increase the resistance to common bee diseases. We believe that using beneficial gut microbes will increase immunity and survival of the colony and should have flow-on effects of improving memory, learning and pollination behaviours. Our research is supported by a grower-owned industry non-profit that invests in research and development that aids Australian growers. We're aiming to create a low-cost, chemical-free probiotic that can be easily used by professional beekeepers, which will help growers do what they do best.